Welcome back to CRB Trains. We're going to Erlanger, Kentucky, and hopefully we have better luck than we did yesterday because that was atrocious. The start of my day has been really weird. I was putting up insulation. I had a lot of fiberglass get all over my body. Went home, took a shower. It's like little razor blades just digging through my skin. Really hurts. Super itchy, super uncomfortable. But you know what? That's okay because we're about to go see some trains. So I just looked at the southbound signals and they're all red. So now we're gonna go look at the northbounds. All right, so we do have a northbound coming. I just checked the signals. I didn't film it because it's too far away for the camera to be able to pick it up, but you can just trust me. I mean, there's a green signal. We're gonna have a train coming. It's just, that's what's gonna happen. Unless whoever's operating the signal is just an idiot and just turned it green. There's a train coming. What in the world? All right, we're here in Erlanger, Kentucky. I'm at just the usual spot. I normally watch trains. If you've seen some of my earlier videos, I'm here all the time. But you have the signals over there. Those are the southbound signals. So our train's gonna be coming towards us this way, headed towards Cincinnati. So we'll just wait here and we'll see what we get. All right, here we go. The train's on its way. That's a different sounding horn. Did you guys hear that little whoop that the locomotive did? I love that sound. That's the air compressor kicking on. There you go, guys. That was a cool one. There was a lot of variety on that train. It's pretty short as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.